So once again, good morning everyone. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Puerto Princesa City, the city of the living God, where nature's begin and never end. My name is Patrick. I'm the lost best friend of SpongeBob. And I'm gonna be your tour guide today. And we have Sir Julie, our driver, one of the veterans driver here in Puerto Princesa City. So Sir Julie is driving a vehicle for almost 35 years. So it's a long experience for him, and he is very talented and safe driver. And you are lucky because he already get his student driver's license. I'm just joking. So me and Sir Julie is guaranteed to you our safe and enjoyable trip going to the Sabang Wharf. Because today you have in the underground river tour, we will bring you to the one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so before anything else, I would like to mention a few reminders which are essential during our tour. So first, always remember we are a joint tour, so we need to stick together. And second, please be patient all the time. And third, please don't throw your garbage anywhere. As you can see from the start, Puerto Princesa City is a very clean city. And every corner there is a trash can. Just put your trash on those trash cans. We have been awarded for 3 times for being the cleanest and greenest component city in the Philippines, and also the Hall of Fame award. And because of that, we have an anti-littering law. For the first offense, a fine of 200 pesos. For the second offense, a fine of 500 pesos. And for the third offense, a fine of 1,000 pesos plus 1 month jail time. So it's up to you if you want to extend your vacation. With 3 million bodyguard, but no Wi-Fi. Smoking and vaping in public here is not allowed also. And since you are also here in Palawan, known as the last frontier of the Philippines, we have an eco-tour policy. First, take nothing but pictures and videos only. Steal nothing but time, bring nothing but memories, and leave nothing but footprints. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay, so this is gonna be the flow of our tour today. So now we are riding a tour van approximately from here going to the Sabang Wharf is approximately 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Approximately 76 kilometers. And we are heading to North National Highway. So this is same way going to El Nido, going to Port Barton, going to San Vicente. But later on there's a junction, so we will go in northwest part of Palawan. And then after the tour, for those who are going to El Nido, I will going to arrange your van transfer. You will going to meet your van transfer at the junction. So I'm gonna arrange. No worries. I'm doing this for almost 8 years. I hope I can make it right now. And as include, we will going to stop later on when we are going northwest. After the junction, we will going to stop for you. I can give you we can give you 15 minutes to use the toilet if you want to use the toilet. And then if you want to buy something to eat or something to drink, you can do that on our stop.
Picture lang kayo man. Pati ito. Pati ito. Okay, doon na po tayo mag-stay.
Ma'am, lalagyan ko lang sir.
We're just gonna wait you there.
Dalawang sakay po kayo ng boat. Para nakakwintas lang yung po sa liit, ma'am. Ma'am, kung meron na kayo na.
Diyan na nga po sa mga upuan.
may underground river po. Ito. Tapos may mga
Low tide.
reversible has tide.
Low tide pa lang.
Low tide.
50 lang ma'am, mga perlas po. Isa pa. 1, 2.
Mama, diri ka ma. Ano mo dyan? Mayroon pa ako.
Ay po, now it feels even worse.
Hoy!
Baka kanina pa tinatawag.
Lang yung kulay orange ng galon. Suggest na ako. Roger, isa lang isa. Salamat. Tapaw? Ito nga tingin ko, nakalit ko po sir, ma'am, sa Seven Wonders. Okay, so survivors, ma'am sir, meron po tayong outlet ticket po. Sa kaliwa po natin, is mga Monday, nakasama mo, Alex po po. Salad in front means is the end of the tour, is the end, and then palabas na kita. Okay, the night is over po, ma'am and sir. To all of you, congratulations. Sir, ma'am, natugay po ba? Very enjoy.
Yes.
Yan.
Maraming salamat po. Thanks for coming. Sir, Ma'am, you're now referred to Princessa Underground River in the one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Finally, the night is over. Praise God, we survive. Mabuhay. Okay na. Okay, first time po lahat, ma'am sir. Everyone first time going to the game. First time din ang kasama kayo. Okay, sa lahat po, everyone, good morning and welcome to the Pretty Princess Underground River. Your good morning, my name is Renato. More or less 45 minutes back to work. Take the picture with last week. Yes, prepare for the review. Sir, tayo po ni ma'am, palit-pwesto lang po tayo. Ma'am, sa kaliwa kanya lang po si Sir. Para maparang ito. Mas po, iba yung bigat na lalaki sir eh. Bigat na po sa gilid na yan.
야, 저거 타고 간다. 저거 타고 들어간다. 보이지? 저거 보이지? 그 안에 저거 들어간다. Forward ko dito. 이거 통한다. 언더그라운드 이거.
Ito na
Kondo, ma'am. Wait lang po. Hanggang sa atin lang po. Hintayin natin.
그럼 다시 꽂아야 되는 거야.
Kaya po, ma'am.
Okay.
yung nalit lang. Going forward. Ito yung kalat na lang po.
Lang po.
Sa Manang Provincial Tourism.
Ha?
Provincial Tourism Office.
And then exit that way please. Photo booth, hindi people taking pictures. Sabihin lang pa both. Para ma-search nila yung files ko. If you want. Go toilet. Let's go to the toilet.
Sorry.
There's a boy.
Harap mo na kay Manang. Aray, punong-puno yun, no? Kaysa sa atin.
Ha?
Punong-puno yun. Picturean ko kayo, Manang.
Sige.
Ito video sa akin.
Nag-picture ka.
Picturean kayo, Manang. Yung busog na busog.
May type lang yung pwede ka ulit po dito na mag-supply.
Scary the first second and then really good after.
It's really fantastic. That's amazing about this film.